Yes, good morning, children. Very good morning. Yes, today we'll start with the money and credit. Last class we have discussed about money and credit. What is money? Importance of money, and how can you say money as a medium of exchange? Double coincidence. Then currency and deposit of the money and check. Is it clear? Now we'll continue the same topic with the loan activities. We'll continue with the topic loan activities. How can bank issues the loans? Normally, the banks are meant to give service for the public. One side you said, banks are security for the depositors. We can deposit the amount, get security, at the same time we can get interest. At the same time, people can borrow money from the banks, take the loans from the bank. At the same time, I said earlier, the moment you deposit money in the banks will give you less interest rate. In the case of borrowers who borrow loan from the banks charges high interest. That is the source for the income for the banks. Right? Here there are the two cases. One is Salim. One is Salim and second is Swapna. Now the two cases is Salim has a shoemaker. He has to produce. He has given an order for 3,000 shoes. He has to produce, but we don't have money. So what he do is Salim. He has requested leather owner to supply the leather, and at the same time, another person who is owner of the manufacturer, he taken certain amount advance from the company, stating that I am going to deliver the shoes. So, in the end of the year, and this Salim is able to deliver the shoes, and he got a good income. He got a good profit. So that is how, by taking advance loans from the owners or companies, he can get money. Another case, in the case of Swapna, there is another special case. Swapna, who is staying in the rural area and cultivating a land. In rainy season to plow the land. So she need for cultivation, for pesticides, for irrigation, for equipment, she needs a certain amount. Take a loan from the bank. In fact, in between what happened, due to these pests and droughts, due to certain problems, entire crop has been failure. She is unable to pay the money which she has taken from the bank. So it becomes a burden for her. It's become a burden for her. She is unable to pay the money. That is what we call as a debt. D-E-B-T. Debt. That means whatever loan she has taken from the bank, due to the crop failure, she is unable to pay the money she has taken from the bank. So she falls in debt trap. Debt trap. So again, what she should do is, again second year, once again she started the same thing. To continue the same land by cultivating, taking more money from the banks, started her. That particular year, she got good income. But 2 years of income, first years and second years, whatever crop she produced with that income got, that is not sufficient to repay the amount to the bank. Still she has to pay amount. So therefore, it is a burden for her. So that's why she falls in debt trap. In that situation, she has to sell certain portion of the land from her land. She has to clear the loan. That is what is called as a debt trap. Debt trap. So here she has faced the problem. But whether this fellow got income, taking advance, she has delivered good profit. In the case of Swapna, she faced the problem. She falls in debt trap, unable to pay the loan. Finally, a portion of land she has to sell and clear the loan. She is facing the problem. So there are two separate cases, loan activities, Salim and Swapna. Is it clear? Another thing is that there is another thing. Terms of credit case. What is meant terms of credit? Terms of credit. CREDATS. Terms of credit case. Terms of credit case. There is one person. There is another example I will give you. A house loan. Terms of credit case here, as you have seen already, Swapna has taken loan from the bank to purchase pesticides, chemicals, equipments, irrigation, seeds, etc. She had taken money from the bank to purchase all the necessary things to perform the land, contributing of the land. But due to certain problems, she is unable to pay. Right? So she falls on this category. Terms of credit. She is unable to pay the money back due to some failures. So ultimately she falls on debt trap. That is what is called as a terms of credit. Another thing is there is a Meghna. There is a house loan. Meghna. Meghna, she has taken a loan from the bank. Yes. How to take a loan from the bank? Meghna want to construct a house, a family house, by taking the loan. The amount is 5 lakhs rupees. She has taken loan from the bank. How much? 5 lakhs. The principal is 5 lakhs, and bank is charging 12% interest. Bank is charging how much? 12% of interest. And the time duration is 10 years. The time duration is how much? 10 years. Right? And payment mode of payment. Mode of payment is installment. Since she is a government employee, she can pay installment. Every month she has to pay a certain amount to the bank. Installment. Mode of payment, you can say. Mode of payment. Mode of payment is installment. Right? Installment is. So this is how. So bank will supposed to give 5 lakhs rupees they have taken loan, and with the rate of charging interest 12%. Interest rate is very high, and the time duration is 10 years given, and mode of payment is installment because she is a government. So how this bank is giving? Bank is giving loan to Meghna by collateral. By collateral. So let us children here listen. What is collateral? Yes. You should understand here what is collateral. What is collateral? So collateral is a, what is collateral? Collateral is an asset that owns borrower, such as land, buildings, vehicles, livestock. All these documents deposited with the banks until the lender is repay the amount to the bank. That is what is called as a collateral. What is collateral? C-O-L-A-T-R, collateral. Collateral is, you can say, assets, related to assets. Assets, yes. Assets. Assets means ACCETS. ACCETS, assets. Assets means what? It is related to, assets means, our property. Maybe land, houses, buildings, livestock, vehicles, all our assets. So related to these assets, documents has to give to the bank. Documents has to deposit with the banks until the lender, that means until you complete the loan to the bank, they'll keep this document as a guarantee. So by following this method, bank is sanctioning the loan to the Meghna. Simply they will not give the loan. We have to produce certain assets by following the collateral method. What is collateral? Collateral is an asset that borrower owns land, buildings, vehicles, livestock, deposited with the banks as a guarantee. Banks use all these livestock assets as a guarantee until the lender is repay the amount to the bank. That is what is called as collateral. So by following this collateral, bank is sanctioning loan to the Meghna. Clear? Now you can see, who has taken loan? Meghna has taken loan. How much bank has sanctioned the loan? 5 lakhs rupees. How much bank has charged interest? 12%. It is very high interest rate. What is the mode of payment? Installment. Yes. Every month has to pay. Or 3 months, once in 3 months has to pay. Once in 6 months has to pay. That is left to you. The how, before loan, how you are going to fill the papers. I think better installment, that is daily, the monthly I mean to say. Because every month ending you will get salary. So same salary they will deduct from certain amount of rupees. So mode of payment is installment, yes. Right? This is. So this is. So here what is? One is interest rate. Okay? Interest. Then mode of payment, documentation, and interest rate. All comprises together. We call it as a terms of credit. We call it as a terms of credit. What is terms of credit? This is what is terms of credit. Yes. Terms of credit means whatever amount we have taken from this interest we are paying, documents we are deposited to the banks, and mode of payment is installment we are paying, and how much amount we have taken? 5 lakhs we have taken. All this comprises, the process of comprisation is called as terms of deposit. Terms of credit. So whatever you are taking money from the banks, taken money, so this is how you are depositing, paying back money to the banks. That is what is called as a terms of credit. Understood, children? So here what we should learn is, most important thing is, one is loan activities. How they can take loan? We have been next example, Salim and Sapna. So in Sapna case, Salim there is no problem. Here gain. Sapna problem she falls in debt trap. What is debt trap? Whatever loan she has taken from the bank, unable to pay the loan amount to the bank due to certain problems, she falls in debt trap. Right? Second one is here house loan. While taking loan, you should follow certain method. What is that method? Collateral. What is collateral? Collateral is an asset that borrower owns, building, land, livestock, used as a guarantee, deposited in the banks until the lender is repay the amount. That is what is called as a collateral. So by following the collateral, one who can get the loan. That is how Meghna got loan. This is the way of taking loan from the banks. Clear? Next come to the terms of credit. Terms of credit. What is terms of credit? Terms of credit is nothing but as the amount which you are paying, the interest rate, documentation, mode of payment, and the capital. Capital amount principal 5 lakhs. The process of comprises all these comprises as a terms of credit. That is what is called as a terms of credit. So in this loan activities, you should learn what is debtor. Most important for 1 mark questions. What is debtor? What is collateral? What is collateral? Collateral means you should remember assets, property. Property means what? Buildings हो सकता है, land हो सकता है, livestock हो सकता है, vehicle हो सकता है. In the form of all these assets, one has to submit the documents to the deposit with the banks. Then only banks will give guarantee to issue the loan to the particular person. Then only banks will give guarantee to issue the loan to a particular individual. That is what is collateral. What is collateral? Collateral is an asset that borrower owns, buildings, lands, livestock, deposited with the banks as a guarantee until the lender is repay the amount. Lender is repay the amount which is called as a collateral. Most important question for 1 mark question children. One is what is debtor, what is collateral, what is terms of credit is terms of credit. Is it clear? And in the case of previous one, here is what is check, what double concept, what is barter system. So these are the definitions we have to be very, very clear. So collateral, debtor, terms of credit, what is check. This all you should be it should be in fingertips. You should not neglect. And moreover, these all things day-to-day life you have been going to the banks, you are depositing the banks, you are withdrawing the money. These all been doing. Of course, earlier we don't go. Nowadays, even right from beginning, 1 year, 5 years, 6 years, children also go to the banks, go to the post office, saving their money, depositing the money, securing the money by depositing money in the various sources. All things you are learning. It's a modern era. And a lot of this is because of the awareness. You're getting a lot of awareness. Communication is so fast. You're getting communication through various sources. Whereas early olden days, we get communication through only letters. Only through letters. But nowadays we can't see letters at all. There are various means of source of communication. So the modern era, the younger generation, communication is very fast. They know each and everything. How to deposit the money, how to take the loan, how to deposit the money, how to withdraw the money, what is check, what is demand draft. Okay, everything there are net now communication, mass communication. Communication, mass communication, various sources of fast communications. One can sit in a certain place and everything can be done. No need to go to the banks. No need to go to the post office. Everything sitting in office itself through net. Everything you can do through net banking. Sending the money from here to other account. Transforming the amount. everything becomes very easy. You're all computer science points. Clear? So here, what you learn is loan activities. First one is to take these two examples, Salim and Swapna. Next one is what is debt grab. Next, what is collateral, and third one is what is terms of credit. These things you remember. Next class we will continue with the loan activities. In loan activities, people we have been taking the loans from the different people. So that will explain, elaborate. Clear? Any doubt? Thank you.